In this video, I'm going to show you how to create affiliate marketing websites using Google Sites. First, open your browser. Then search for Digistore in the search bar. Open the first link that appears. Here you can sign up and look for winning affiliate products to use. Now in the search bar, type Google Sites. Press the first link that appears. Once you're on the Google Sites page, sign in with your Google account. Next, click on the plus icon to create a new site. Choose a template that suits your affiliate marketing niche. Customize the template by adding your branding elements such as logos and colors using the Insert tab on the right side of the page. Now, it's time to add content to your site. Click on the Insert tab to add text, images, and links to your affiliate products. Make sure to optimize your content for SEO by using relevant keywords. Once you're happy with the layout and content of your site, click on the Publish button to make it live. To drive customers, promote your affiliate site through social media, email marketing, and other channels to drive traffic. Monitor the performance of your site using Google Analytics